What high school conspiracy turned out to be true at your school? Due to budget cuts or something, all of our metal and woodwork shop machines were to be taken away and replaced with worse versions. The shop teachers and drama teachers who were in the building at the time didn't like this idea, so they hid all the machines behind a false wall somewhere in the building. When the people came to pick them up, they were told that others had already collected the machines and that they were late. They looked around but couldn't find the machines and eventually gave up. A few years and one principal later, the machines were brought back out from behind the walls, and that's how the smallest high school in our district, with only around 450 students, became the best school in the district for learning metal and woodwork.